What is up, guys? So today is like a teleworking day in the life for me, if that's what you want to call it. I decided to do a voiceover because I didn't do any talking at all in this video, and I realized that once I started editing. But whatever, I hope you guys still enjoy it. Here I am just taking off my pillowcases and sheets and all that good stuff because I decided to do some laundry that day. Okay. Why do I look like I just have an attitude? Like, girl, get it together. But nah, y'all, that's my resting face. I really be looking mean, and I'm not. So if you ever see me out or even on here, say, hey, girl, hey. No, seriously, though. I be looking mean. I have a natural mean look, and I don't like that because I'm not mean. Anyway, let's get these clothes into this washing machine. These are some of the things I use. Y'all probably like, girl, you got all that stuff up there. So what? Listen, Linda. I'm going to use my Downy ball with my fabric softener. Pull that all up in there. Do y'all use Downy? Y'all use fabric softener at all? Now I'm sprinkling my baking soda. I got baking soda. Put my Downy ball in there. Now, little detergent. So we can pop that into the washing machine. And then I moved on to the kitchen. I have a bad habit, I'm going to tell y'all this now, of leaving dishes in the dishwasher. That is how I dry my dishes. Point blank, period. So I'm going to put these dishes away that's been sitting in there. And then I'm going to wash some dishes. Just looking at this video, I can't wait to start this little weight loss journey because I don't like it. Sorry, I'm a little chunky monkey right now. But yeah, that's one thing that I can say I'm working on in 2023, and nobody better say nothing smart. But no, for real. If y'all want to drop some tips below, what works for you? I know what worked for me at one point was intermittent fasting. I wouldn't eat before 12 and not after 7 or 8. And that worked good for me. And I went walking every day. But yeah, if y'all have any tips for your girl, leave them in the comments below. So yeah, now I'm just about to wash these dishes, y'all, and my air fryer. And then gonna put them back in the dishwasher to dry. I'm gonna stop leaving them dishes in the dishwasher so long, though. Seriously, not even playing. Hey y'all know I love my coffee. And today I decided to make coffee at home because some days I will order Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts from Postmates or Uber Eats. Today I made some good old Folgers in my old faithful Mr. Coffee maker. What's your favorite brand of coffee? Comment that down below too. You more of a Starbucks person or a Dunkin', or it don't matter? Look at me. Coffee maker wasn't even plugged up and I'm just pressing buttons. There we go. Coffee's brewing. I decided to make me some breakfast. We're going to make me some home fries and some good old peppers. You can never go wrong with home fries for breakfast. I just feel like that's a staple. Some good home fries with peppers and onions. Period. My home fries cooking. It's not a lot of seasoning. It's just, before I mix them up. And here go my eggs. Initially, I was supposed to be having avocado toast, but that did not work out because my avocado had went bad. So I just made 2 fried eggs, home fries, and put the eggs on the toast. And it was good to me, along with my coffee. Now, the sheets were finished, taking those out of the washer to go in the dryer. And then I'm going to put in my comforter. It's that got to go in there by itself. Now, I log back on to finish up my work actually. And y'all know when I'm cleaning up, I gotta have my music on, so I was jamming a little bit. And then, I didn't even show y'all making up my bed, but y'all know how to make up a bed. That night, I decided to make just some turkey necks with sauerkraut. And when I say it was the bomb, this was me. I was just preparing a broth with onions and green peppers and some chicken bouillon. Now I'm about to add in my turkey necks. Y'all, this is really a good filling meal. Like, seriously. If you like turkey necks. I don't even know if y'all like turkey necks. I was going to eat it with rice, but I forgot I had some sauerkraut in here. So that's what I had it with. So I let those cook. And then I just chilled for a while those were cooking. turkey necks to be so spicy. Like, y'all see them crushed red pepper flakes I put in here. I love them to be spicy. Just so good. And this is where the vlog ends. Here are my turkey necks. Tell me those don't look bomb.